It's kids' time now.
Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabet P. P. P for parrot. P A R O T parrot. P. P for pumpkin. P U M P K I N pumpkin. P. P for pencil. P E N C I L pencil. P. P for pig. P I G pig. P. P for plum. P L U M plum. In the next video, we will learn about alphabet Q. Thank you.